morning students. Now today we will discuss the topic average speed and numerical based on the average speed. What is average speed? It is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled by the body divided by total time taken. So the formula of average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. Now one question in your exercise, hot question. A car travels a certain distance. A car travels a certain distance at a speed of 50 km per hour and returns at a speed of 40 km per hour. Calculate the average speed. Calculate the average speed of the car for the whole journey. This is the question number B, hot question. A car travels a certain distance of a speed of 50 km per hour and return back at the speed of 40 km per hour. Then we have to find the average speed of the car during whole journey. Suppose here this is the point A and this is the point B. A car travels from A to B at a speed of 50 km per hour, and after returning, that is from B to A, the speed of the car is 40 km per hour. Then you have to find the average speed of the car during the whole journey. That means A to B and B to A. So how do you solve this question? First, suppose the distance between initial position to final position, that is A to B here. So let distance between A and B is, that is x kilometer. So here suppose A to B distance is x kilometer, and on returning path will be same path, so here it is also x kilometer. So total distance traveled by the car from A to B and B to A is, so total distance traveled by car is equal to x plus x is equal to 2x kilometer. Now how do you solve? So before this, all of you know the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. So total distance we know, total distance we have find out 2x kilometer. Now we have to find the total time taken. So first you have to find the time from A to B. All of you know the formula is S is equal to Vt. So T is equal to S by V. So here we have to find the value T1. T1 means from A to B. So T1 is equal to, and distance is constant, so S by V1. Here A to B distance, that is x, and speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So T1 is equal to x by 50 hour. Similarly, on the returning back, that is from B to A, T2 is equal to S by V2. So here x, again distance is B to A is x, it is constant, so x by V2, which is equal to x by 40 kilometer per hour. So here T2 is equal to x by 40 hours. So total time T is equal to T1 plus T2. So here T1 is x by 50 plus T2 is x by 40. LCM 5 4 are 200. 20 and 200. Now 50 4 are 4x plus, and 45 are 200. So which is equal to 5x and 4x, that is 9x by 200 hour. This is the total time. T is equal to T1 plus T2, which is equal to x by 50 plus x by 40. LCM of 40 and 50 is 200. On solving we will get 5 plus 4x, that is 9x divided by 200 hour. Now we use the formula. This is average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So already we have find out total distance is 2x meter. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. So here total distance is 2x x divided by total time 9x by 200. So here average speed is equal to 2x by 9x into 200. X cancel, 2 to the 4, so 400 divided by 9. I'm dividing 9 for the 36. So average, this is the notation of average. Average speed of the car is 44.4 km per hour.